Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Clean and wash chicken. Add red chili powder. Add cumin powder. Add coriander powder. Add carom seeds or ajwain. Add salt to taste. Add ginger garlic paste. Add lemon juice. Marinate and refrigerate overnight or at least 2 to 4 hours. Add water. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Change chicken side halfway through cooking. Take chicken out of the oven, be cautious of hot steam. Delicious and tender chicken roast is ready. Serve it with naan, or roti, or even coleslaw. Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.